hello and welcome back to our grade 9 maths lesson. I am Mrs. Rea, your maths teacher. In our previous lesson, we looked at compound interest. In today's lesson, we are going to look at inflation and appreciation. Inflation and appreciation. It's very, very important that we know about inflation because in Papua New Guinea, we have a lot of customary obligations where we need to buy goods. And we have to know that the prices of goods are increasing every year. With 100 kina worth of money, you come out with only one little shopping plastic. Whereas in the past, with 100 kina, you would come with maybe 3 shopping plastics full of items. That is the reason why we are going to look at inflation and how it is affecting the lives of many people in this country. Okay, let's look at an example, okay? Example 1 that we have, let's look at a simple one, okay? A packet of rice costs 5 kina, okay? You spend 5 kina on a packet of rice. Let's say 5 kina per 1 kg, okay? So 1 kg packet of rice costs 5 kina. Okay, the rate of inflation is 4% per year, and we want to find out if it remains at 4%, what the price of rice would be in 3 years' time. Okay, so we want to find out the cost of a packet of rice in 3 years' time, which costs 5 kina today. Okay, so let's say in the first year, we find 4% of 5 kina. 4% of 5 kina, if we calculate it, is 20 toya, 0.2. So the price at the end of 1 year will be equal to 5 kina 20 toya. So the packet of rice at the end of the year is 5 kina 20 toya. Let's see what the price of that packet of rice is at the end of the second year. Okay? Again, we know that it's 4%. So this time it is going to be 4% of 5 kina 20 toya. And that is 21 toya. So the price at the end of the second year will be 5 kina 41 toya. Okay, let's look at the price of rice on the third year or at the end of the third year. Again, we have 4% of 5 kina 41 toya, which is now 22 toya. So the price of that packet of rice at the end of the third year is 5 kina 63 toya. From this example, you can see that the price of rice increases every year with inflation. And that is not only for a packet of rice, that is for all the goods in the store and also for bills, electricity bills, and also prices of fuel and everything else. So that is on inflation. Okay, now let's look at appreciation. What is appreciation? Appreciation is the increase in value of properties such as house or land over a period of time. Let's look at an example. Okay. Example on appreciation. Okay, let's say Peter buys a block of land for 28,000 kina, and it appreciates by 7% per year, or we can say 7% per annum. And we want to find out how much that block of land will worth after 2 years, okay, or in 2 years' time. So with appreciation, we'll see how much it is going to appreciate in value at the end of the second year. So let's say the first year, we have first year, we have 7% of 28,000 kina, and that gives us 1,960 kina. So that's how much it appreciates by at the end of the first year. So the new value at the end of the first year is 29,960 kina. So that's the price of the value of the land at the end of the first year. Let's see what the value of the land will be at the end of the second year. So we now have 7% because it is appreciating per annum by 7%. 7% of 29,960 is equal to 2,097 kina 20 toya. What will be the new value at the end of the second year? Okay, we are going to add 2,097.20 to 29,960. The value will be 32,057 kina 20 toya. That is how much the block of land is worth at the end of the second year. Let's say John or Peter decides to sell the land after 2 years. We'll see how much bonus he's going to get from selling the block of land after 2 years. Okay, so we call it the profit because that's the extra money that he is going to make from selling the block of land. Okay, we have 32,057 kina 20 toya minus the cost of the block of land, which is 28,000 kina. Okay, so we have 27,500 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, he will make a profit of 4,057 kina 20 toya. So we can see the difference between inflation and appreciation. With appreciation, there's an extra money for you. So you will be happy if you sell the block of land because you are going to get extra money. With inflation, it's very stressful. You go with 100 kina and you come with only one tiny plastic, maybe with 2 or 3 items in it. So as the year goes by, our salary or anything that you earn is not increasing, but the prices of goods are increasing every year. So it is very stressful. But as long as we are alive and we are going. Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of our lesson on appreciation and inflation. In our next lesson, we are going to look at depreciation. Thank you.